your Mother's Day present because
The Zoom just ain't happening.
yeah, you're the best mom ever. Number one mom, right there. Here's some reasons why. You're so sweet. You take us places.
You let me eat your food.
You, even though we embarrass you, you still take us and tell us people that we're your kids.
Yeah.
You
let
just
me come over all the time.
Yeah, you
probably
get me
get annoyed with me.
Yeah, you give me money. You let me do pretty much everything I want. You're so nice, and I swear, you just like everyone thinks you're the coolest mom ever. And you are just great, and I love you, and I hope this day is very, very good because you're a very, very good mom.
And this one has to beat last year's.
Yeah, and this beats last year's because last year's was just 2 minutes late.
And you didn't even like.
Yeah, you didn't even like that
She didn't even talk to you the rest of the night.
Yeah. So that was because we were just in our room sleeping, and last night was so much fun watching TV.
So much fun, girlfriend.
You're the best mom ever. Love you so much.
Hope your day's good.
Happy day. Bye.